Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, CarolinaTrailerSales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. The best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is kind of a unique trailer. This is a Cimarron 2023 4-horse, 8-wide bumper pull. This trailer is 7'6" tall, again 8 wide. Super nice trailer. Was built for some people. You can pull this trailer behind a truck or you can pull this trailer behind a bus. It is a very neat setup, so I'm going to kind of try to explain the horse box to you. Once I get there, it is a reverse load, so it does have a 2 5/16 ball. Not a ball, a hitch. Jeez. It does have an electric jack. It does have the plug-ins for a camera system, so it does have the wire plug-ins for a camera system, onboard horse camera system. It is the aerodynamic nose, white in color. It does have the gravel guard across the front of the nose. Has load lights on both above the dressing room door here and above the drop windows on the head side. 4 nice heavy-duty drop windows with bars. You can't see the manger doors underneath those windows right now, but it has 4 manger storage doors for storage, and it goes completely across the entire trailer. Has the full extrusion from front to back. This is a Norstar edition, Cimarron Norstar 4-horse bumper pull. On the MSO, the empty weight says 5580. I'm quoting that without that being in front of me. So 5580 is the empty weight if you're looking for that. I believe the GVWR is 13,800 and some change. Again, I'll have all of those things on the website with the ad. Aluminum wheels. It does have a ramp with 2 50/50 doors. And this back stall, again, this is a reverse load. This back stall is huge. You can load from the other side. You can load from this side for this back stall. And these dividers, and it's hard for me to do it and do the video, but they actually fold flat, all flat. So if you wanted to haul a golf cart in this trailer or something else, you totally could. It does have roof vents. It does have the WERM floor. So it does have the WERM floor in the trailer already done. This was done at the factory. That's the strap that actually goes across this last stall. You can see the camera's already mounted in each stall. This trailer might be 7'8" tall. I'll find out. It's for sure 7'6". LED lights here on the inside. It's got drop windows on both sides. And like I said, let me see if I can do one of these dividers with you on video. Yep, okay, I got one. Let me just kind of, sorry guys. All right, so as you can see, I opened that divider up. The other 2 open as well. And that just makes a big open box. So if you needed this for other things, you could actually put 2 horses in it, load them off the side, and put a golf cart here in the back. It's kind of a really cool concept. Let me go around and show you that other side with the ramp so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Again, this is a very versatile trailer. I think you can do a lot with it. If you want to haul 2 horses and a golf cart, totally could, because you've got the ramp on the back side and you've got the ramp to offload your horses here. So side ramp for offloading. Here on this side, you got the big drop windows, load light here on this side as well. Big LED load light bar strip there. Stepping up into the first box, like I said, you just load. You've got all the way down through there you can load. So I hope this video is helping you. It's super hard to do a video of a trailer like this because I can't really open up all the dividers like I'd like to. So 2023, okay, this trailer has had a horse in it twice. It is like new. It actually doesn't even look like a horse has been in it. This trailer is like brand new. So if you don't want to pay a brand new price for one of these trailers, check this trailer out. Go to our website, check the price, check all the information about it. If you have any questions, you can contact me, of course. It does have a dressing room. That's where I'm going next. Flip up step. This trailer does have air ride. I failed to say that already, but it does have air ride suspension. That is a very, very expensive add on a trailer. So this bumper pull does have air ride. I'm going to show you here in this dressing room. It's got a brush box. Still got all the things that came from Cimarron in it. They've got WERM in the floor here. Battery for your electric jack. Here is your air ride system. Spare tire. 4-tier saddle rack. Blanket bar above. Bridle hooks. It does have a onboard water tank and it has all the hookups for that. Again, that was all done at the factory. So everything is still here for the trailer exactly how it was when it was shipped to the customer. So dressing room, water tank, air ride. Like I said, guys, this trailer is loaded. It has a lot of great options and a lot of things you can do with it. So 2023 4-horse Cimarron bumper pull. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. I hope you guys have a great day.